p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Goldston, or 12 miles north of Carthage, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Pittsboro, Goldston, Broadway, Lemon Springs, Gum Springs, High Falls, Harper's Crossroads, Olivia, and Moncure. This includes United States 1 between mile markers 69 and 84. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Lee, and Moore.